Assalamu alaikum student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. This is Farooq Ahmed from Rehman Science Academy. Uh, in previous lecture, we discussed the exercise 1.1. One question is left. Now we start from question number 3 of exercise 1.1. In question number 3, given is find the values of A, B, C and D which satisfy the matrix equation. As we discussed about the order of a matrix and equal matrix. This question are about equal of the matrix. How we said two matrix are equal? First of all, we check the order of matrix, then we check the corresponding elements. In this question, having two rows and two columns, the left side matrix having order 2 by 2 and right side having same order 2 by 2. We find the unknown value. We assume that A is equal to 0, A plus C is equal to 0. Now A plus 2P is equal to minus 7, C minus 1 is equal to 3, and 4D minus 6 is equal to 2D. The corresponding elements are equal. We say that this is the first equation and other is second, this one is third and this one is fourth. We start from A, first equation, B means second equation, and third equation and fourth equation. It's up to you where you solve. I solve from equation number 3 because it is very simple to determine the value of C. Here C minus 1 is equal to 3. First of all, we find the value of C. How we find the value of C? We know that here is one minus, on the other side it will be added. We say that C is equal to 3 plus 1 and the value of C is equal to 4. Then we put the value of C in equation number 2. We put the value of C in equation 1. A plus C is replaced by its value. The value of C is equal to 4. We put here 4 is equal to 0. We apply the basic rule like subtracting 4 on both sides. In simply you say that here is 4 add, on the other side it will be subtract. We write minus 4. It's up to you how you solve. On the other way, A plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 minus 4. 4 plus 4 will be cancelled. The value of A is minus 4. It's up to you how you solve. Both equation having same answer. A is equal to minus 4 and A is equal to minus 4. And put the value of A in equation number 2. And A is replaced by its value. The value of A is minus 4 plus 2B is equal to minus 7. Now we find the value of B. How we find the value of P? Here is minus 4 extra, here is minus, on the other side it will be added. We write 2B is equal to minus 7 plus 4 and 2P is equal to 7 minus 4 will be 3. We put the sign of bigger value because bigger value contain minus sign, that is why we put here minus sign, minus of 3. Here 2 is multiply, on the other side it will be divided, or you say that divided by 2 on both sides. B is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we convert into mixed fraction or we write in the decimal form. Now B is equal to minus 1.5. At the end we find the value of D. How we find the value of D? We collect the all same value on the one side and without means constant value on the other side. Here is 4D, here 2D is add, on the other side it will be subtract 2D. Now minus 6, here is subtract, on the other side it will be added. 2D minus 2D is equal, sorry, 4D minus 2D is equal to 2D, and 6D is equal to 6 by 2 and D is equal to 3. If we replace A, B, C and D in equation number 1, we get the same answer.